I have eczema. What is eczema? It is a skin condition that can be chronic. It's scaly, flaky, really itchy, and it is a pain. I have had it since I was a little child, maybe 5 years old, and I still have it to this day. My eczema tends to roam around my body. It has been on my feet, it's been on my torso, my hands, my face, everywhere, everywhere. And I have been prescribed all of the typical medications, the steroidal creams, all of these things, and I'm just over it. Those things really don't help me, and so I decided to take care of it naturally. Well, what do I use? I use something called lanolin. Lanolin is the oil from the sheep's wool. It is natural, and this is what I've been using to treat my eczema, to calm the itch. Lanolin has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps keep the sheep's skin from getting infected. Lanolin is also non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, lanolin can clog your pores. So wherever you're oily and greasy, then don't use lanolin there. Some other things to know about lanolin is that lanolin is used in so many different applications, over-the-counter, lip balm, lotions for dry skin, makeup and makeup removers, medicated shampoo, mustache wax, shaving cream, baby oil, and even diaper rash cream all use lanolin. Now, some people can be allergic, so make sure that you consult your medical professional before you try any product that is recommended to you. Now, at this moment, I have eczema on my hands and between my fingers and on the joints, some of the joints of my fingers, and they just itch and I scratch. They say, don't scratch. It's just impossible not to scratch. So I scratch. And what calms it is the lanolin, and that's what I use all the time. And I get it from the health food store. It's between $7 and $8. You can also get it from Amazon. And I really do like the treatment. It does not smell good. To me, it smells like some kind of motor oil. So it doesn't smell good, but I don't think it lingers. Like once you get it in there, once you get it in your skin really good, I don't really think it smells. But just know that before you put it on. If you're going on a date, you may not want to put it on and go straight to your date. So it soothes my skin and it leaves my skin feeling really soft. It is not a cure, it is a treatment. And I really wish you the best on your eczema journey. What do you think about lanolin? Have you ever heard of it? Have you used it before? Drop your comments or questions below in the comment section. I really appreciate you watching me today. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you like content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.